This program, established by the Minister of Religious and Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, will be host 30 from Pakistan, 30 person, and will be spend about 10 days to Mecca and Medina and perform Umrah, inshallah. There is some people coming from other country. As usual, inshallah, will be host. I hope inshallah more than 100 inshallah will be host to Hajj, inshallah.